This is how different men buy condoms. What's happening, player? You good, fam? Listen, player, it's going to hell down tonight. I'm talking about gang bang, bang gang. I'm talking about everything that has the ang at the end. You know, me and my lady, we go start with a little bit of foreplay. We don't go straight to the sex. You know, we start with a little bit of foreplay, 5 play, 6 play. You know, we about to go to the sex. You know, it gonna be rough tonight. So I need like 9 rabbits or something. You know, I need like the strawberry flavor, the lemon flavor, what is that, mint? She's allergic to mint. So give me 9 rabbits, and please make sure you call 911, 9999, or whatever the number is for emergency, cause somebody is finna die tonight. Player. What it is, why? Nah, yeah. Hey, come out of this, ne? What's now, one now? Abuna, or roto ke gata. Ko des papas keke mapota le kesha. Oga. Hi. Tonight, it is the night. Gonna break bones. I'm gonna eat flesh. Chew flesh. I need like 20. I need this thing that you put on your Vienna for protection. You feel? Shit. Condom. Shit. Okay, I need 20 condoms. I wanna give to charity. Margaret Tanari. Here, like someone, unolibile, cutting. Advertising anything more Mobi TV, ya, cutting, ya, ABC, ya, what abstain, be faithful, condomize. Advertising for 20 and for talk, you kill straight. On sorry. Yes. 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 Someone, Mpadi wana damani bapileng le dithopas le bapisa le dithopas bapileng le dithopas lo ya bona ka ha mojinka no is indumo mo ke la bona samana abuti ntumile dicondomo da so mphada naro batla tsepedi a rotla ka